Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you on how to fix login error in Line messaging app. It's very quick and easy, so let's get started. So for step number one is to clear cache and data. Corrupted cache data could cause login issues. So go to your settings on your phone and tap apps or applications, find Line and tap it, choose storage, then tap on clear cache or clear data. Step number two is to check your internet connection. Ensure you have a stable internet connection, Wi-Fi or mobile data to log into the app. Try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data, or you can also restart Wi-Fi router or modem if needed. Use a different app or browser to confirm that your Wi-Fi or internet connection is working properly. Step number three is to update the Line app. Using an outdated version of Line can lead to login process, so go to your device App Store or Google Play Store, then search for Line. Check if there is an update available. If there is an update available, tap Update to get the latest version. Step number four is to reinstall the Line. Sometimes reinstalling app can fix any login issues caused by app corruption. So to do that, you just have to uninstall the Line app from your device and then restart your phone, go to your app store and download Line again. And then try logging in again. For step number five is to check for Line server issues. At times, login problems could be due to server outage on Line's end. So visit websites like Down Detector to see if others are reporting problems with Line. If it is a widespread issue, you may need to wait until Line resolves the server problem. Lastly is to contact Line support. If none of them works, then there may be specific issue with your account or device. So visit the Line Help Center from the app or web. File a support ticket explaining your login issue, providing any error messages you encounter. And that's it for today's video. I hope you find this helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!